it. Okay,
Iya, iya, iya.
that's what. Looking back at your journey with Jokopi in Malaysia, what has been most rewarding part of you personally as being of business owner in Malaysia?
Ini ya, you could say mungkin uh, when I was when I was working the Malaysia project kan previously as a marketing lah. Mungkin maybe I could tell my apa ya, my story when I did this lah macam tu. So what's rewarding for me is I think making new friends lah. Making new friends in Malaysia is so much fun, knowing that we could directly working with local famous or yeah, local and famous, not famous lah, promising lah, promising local brand itu sangat menarik. Terus berteman juga itu menarik. Yang rewarding itu sebenarnya kita bisa the first thing I learned and then the first thing that I think that's rewarded for me is uh, on the first grand opening, the first grand opening, I learned that Jokopi could gather all of the races on Malaysia to Jokopi when the grand opening. So there's a lot of people, there's a lot of various people that I think that it's not the plan, but we just want to be like, yeah, this is your new home, and this is your new home to Malaysian and also Indonesian. Jadi itu yang sebenarnya apa ya, yang rewarding buat aku itu kita bisa mengenalkan kita siapa Indonesia, uh, seperti apa yang kita minum kopinya, budaya kita sama ya ini rumah kalian yang baru, gitu. For Malaysian itself, ya. No, no, apa, no exception for the races, macam macam itu lah. Everyone could go or could lepak aja kopi. Itu yang
Yeah,
rewarding aja sih sebenarnya kayak gitu. Ya filosofis
that would
lah,
be it.
cuman filosofis cuman ya mungkin kalau mau ditarik ya pas pas grand opening pertama itu sih gitu. Selebihnya ya kita
Okay.
continue the goal aja kayak oke kita cuman pengen jadi coffee shop Malay gitu yang punya rasa Indonesia udah.
Okay, that will be a very rewarding part of you as biggest ownership,
Hmm.
business owner in
Hmm.
Malaysia.
Ya,
Next
ya,
question
ya.
is there anything you would do differently if you were starting Jokopi again today in Malaysia?
Oh, is there anything you would do differently if you were starting your wow, ini macam what if ya.
What
What
if?
if?
Yeah.
I think I think no, because uh, I think it's the same lah. I think it's the same because due to Indonesian reference about global things itu, uh, sorry ya, mas, not to discredit our nationality, maksudnya kayak kita referensi global itu sedikit. Even for me, even for me ya, knowing Malaysia itu, ya saat when I was or when I did the project itself, when I did the research. So I think no, I think I would do differently. So I think it's the same basic method with research. Udah, itu aja. Pasti research kayak gitu. Gak ada yang lain.
Yeah.
No other thing. Gak harus tanya lah. Harus tanya, harus mau untuk apa ya? Iya, mau untuk tanya, mau untuk ngobrol lah kayak gitu. Gitu sih.
Okay. So research is the most important thing if you want to open business in Malaysia, right?
Oh iya iya
Okay.
iya.
So
Iya.
for the last question from us is there any final message or insight you would like to share with UCAM students who are interested in entrepreneurship or cross-border business?
Is there any final message or insight you would like to share? Apa ya? I think ini pun juga ya untuk aku juga yang sekarang For me too, yang I think uh, right now itu deep dive to business development juga. I think the first thing is data and analytics itu, wow, itu sangat insightful. If you nowadays, if you don't have the data and uh, uh, you don't you don't initiate your research, you would be apa ya, you would be one step apa backwards from your competitor lah, contoh. Jadi data and analysis, insight, research itu sangat penting. Market research, competitor research itu is very important if you doing apa entrepreneurship, and if you wanna do cross border itu look for the regulation also. So yeah, research again. Maksudnya do research about where do you wanna put your business and what do you want to do with your business lah. Gitu. So yeah, research, data, insight right now lah. So but I think mm, doing business from small pun itu juga untuk apa ya, untuk practice the intuition also sih gitu. Tuh untuk for me itu intuition pun juga aku pun lagi learning juga. Tapi once if you want to do entrepreneurship itu data lah, data and iya data and research. Finance pun juga, finance one thing to finance itu. The first is finance and then do deep dive data also. So,
Uh,
then
okay,
don't
maybe
don't let
this
the finance.
all.
It sucks. It
Okay,
sucks
that's all
also.
from.
Yeah, I know. I know it sucks. I think if you talk right now, the apa we could misinterpret about the branding ya. And the branding visual thing, it's good. If you have the taste of it, if you have a lot of reference about visual thing, it's good. But on the process, on the operation, or when you operate things, you must look for the numbers and you must look for the people. Macam tu. Is
Okay,
it good or
that's
not? Is
very
it?
thank you. Very good. Very good. Okay, thank you very much for taking the time
Thank
to
you.
share your experience and insight with us. We truly appreciate your openness in exploring Jokopi's journey in the Malaysian market and your personal perspective as business owner. Your responses have been very valuable for our segment and have given us practical insight into cross-border entrepreneurship. We learned a lot from this interview, and we sincerely appreciate your time and willingness to support UKM students. Okay, that's all from us, Mr.
Thank you,
Gavin.
Ferdi. Thank you, Zhang Yu. Thank you, Jan. Thank you,
So much.
Dennis. It's so much.
Sukses selalu Jokopi.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much for spending time with us. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I would be honor lah. Nanti kalau misalnya kita ke sana, boleh lah jom lepak.
Ya, boleh. Free aja.
Bang, kita ketemu deh di Ampang.
Oh iya kak, iya kan kita
Ya,
sama
yang
Bang
soto
Afan
bening
itu
sama
kan?
Bang Afan. Iya,
Iya
sama Bang
kan?
Afan.
Iya, iya.
Iya.
Boleh lah. Ke Shalom dong sekarang, ke Shalom.
Nah, next time ya, soalnya lagi sini banyak project.
Oh iya, nggak apa lah.
Nanti
Sampai dulu juga tak apa. Thank you. Oke, thank you
aman-aman.
guys. Aku
Yuk,
live ya. Thank you.
yuk, makasih banyak ya, Bang. Makasih, Bang.
Sama-sama. Sukses ya, sukses. All sukses.
Thank you,
Good
thank
luck
you.
with your
Thank
final
you.
project.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.